Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing this hauntingly beautiful makeup look using the ColourPop Twilight ECLIPSE palette. This is a red and black vampy vibes. Makes my green eyes pop with its beautiful darkened red ombre lip. I love everything about this. I think that I may or may not be watching too much metalcore music videos. I like the gothic vibes, dark makeup. I think it's absolutely stunningly gorgeous. This look also kind of reminds me of the Ash Costello makeup in the Angel Eyes music video from New Year's Day. Side note, have any of you seen the new Motionless in White song, Rest in Peace? Oh my goodness, what an absolute hauntingly beautiful love song. I love it. I love the new song. I'm so excited for the new album. But the video is so beautiful, so aesthetically pleasing to me. I love everything about it. The vocals, it's just amazing. It's amazing. I'm taking Frostbite. I used a fluffier crease style brush to really build this shade up in my outer corner and about halfway into the crease, using the orbital bone as a guide, only going slightly above that. And like salt and pepper, I built that up over time and built it up to my liking. I'm going to be taking New Vampires, and it's this like beautiful burgundy shade, and this is on a fluffy crease brush as well, and I'm going to be pressing that in the rest of the crease area, so the other half, the inner portion to half, and really working that shade up. They build up so nicely, they blend out really nice, they're so very pigmented, they're easy to work with, and these palettes make the prettiest looks. They're some of my most used in my palette, or in my collection, for me personally, like everyday kind of grab vibes. This is a shadow, it's called Hey It's Jake. Nice like taupey shade, and I'm using that to blend that black and that burgundy shade out into, which has worked out perfect and made it smoky and mysterious looking, and it's just so beautiful. I love the blending that come with this look. It worked out really nicely. So from the Sheglam, I'm using the Multi-Fix Concealer Palette. I'm using the lightest shade in this palette. I'm taking that on a flat shadow brush, and I'm going to apply that to the lid. I'm going to then look up, kind of blink up with my eye to stamp where I want to cut the crease. I am cutting the crease in this because I really want a cut crease, and I really want the shimmery eyeshadow to pop and stand out. Blending that out with my finger, and I'm going to be using Magic Blood, which is a shimmery red in the palette. Stunning shade. And I think this would be beautiful foiled as well, like to wet your brush and use it wet. Very beautiful. I'm just going to press that on top of the concealer. And this concealer sets in place. It lasts all day. It doesn't crease, so I wasn't worried about any of that. And it does take me a while to build this shimmery shade up, but I'm like really packing it on. So I just take my time packing it on to the lid with the flat shader brush. And I think this is a beautiful vampy look. I'm going to blend a little bit in the crease against the lid line. So like the line that's between the lid and the crease colors where they meet, I will blend a little bit so it's not, it's still a cut crease, but it doesn't look so stark. And I will also add color back. And then from Spectrum Cosmetics, I'm taking the eyeshadow in Tiny Bubbles to highlight my brow with, which is just a really nice matte vanilla shade. I'm going to take that on a fluffier eyeshadow brush and I'm going to press that under the brow at first, then I'm slowly going to bring it down into the crease. After I have applied that, I take it around all the edges of the crease colors and the outer corner, and then I'm going to go back in with the same colors I used in the crease and start blending those in with the brow highlight. So I'm going to create that beautiful seamless fade between the crease, transition, and brow bone highlight, and they all just look seamless and blended well together. I love how smoky and beautiful this look is as well. Stunning. I'm using Proposal, which is like this iridescent white blue shadow. Although I was like skeptical on how this would look in the inner corner, it being kind of blue, it just tied the look up really beautiful. And look at like I feel like my green eyes are like just popping so much. I'm using the burgundy shade on the lower lash line. And I'm using the Ardell Wispies and the Away Studio Super Lash Adhesive Lash Glue. And I'm going to apply my lashes. These are Ardell lashes that are the wispy style. They're so pretty. I love them. I love using these. And you get a lot of them for a decent amount of money. So the LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline my upper lash line or waterline. And from this brand here, I got these liners from Temu, and it is just a red. Primary red, crayon red, marker red, primary red. It also helps to just make my green eyes pop. It's absolutely stunning. So pretty. I'm using the Revlon Big Bad Lash Mascara to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. Moving on to lips. For lips, I used the LaColors Lip Liner Pencil. I believe this one is called Eggplant, and it's actually a dark purple shade or a plum shade. And this Sheglam Marilyn Monroe lipstick is so beautiful, and I just put that directly on top of that lip liner and kind of blended it out a little, creating the beautiful ombre. Love how dark and vampy and smoky that crease line is. I like how bright green my eyes look. I love this vibe. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, found it helpful. Maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.